Hi there, I'm Liz Reese. I work with Realty One Group Prosper in Austin, Texas, and I am a licensed Texas realtor. Just wanted to kind of reach out to those of you that might be considering selling a home this year. There's a lot of information about the market right now and how challenging it is to purchase a home. So there may be some hesitation from you thinking, well, how am I going to make an offer that is appealing to a seller when it's contingent upon me selling my house? And you're right, that's not typically going to be the number one choice for most sellers when they have received multiple offers, and often those offers might include some cash offers. So really just kind of makes it a little bit harder for you to compete, I would say, in many cases. So what I'm here to do is really offer you a solution. I'm aware of a program where you can actually access cash, and you can actually purchase your next house before we even consider listing your home. And so what that will look like is we'll go ahead and find you a home, and we're gonna make an offer. If it's accepted, again, that's a cash offer. So you're probably gonna be in the top numbers, or top contenders, I should say. And then from there, if they accept your offer, more than likely you're going to be moving in within the next 3 weeks or less. And so that aspect is finished. And then from that point, we can get your things out of the house if needed, get it cleaned up, looking its very best, staged, and then we can go ahead and list your home and really work to get top dollar for you. So it's a little bit backwards from the scenario that most people are used to, but it's a pretty neat scenario. It's a great option. So if this is something that intrigues you, even if it's not for sure something that's going to work for you, that's okay. I do encourage you to give me a phone call and we can just chat about it. Again, I'm not going to hold you to it if it doesn't work for you. My number is 512-589-9813. Thanks so much. Have a great day.